Hey Internet, welcome to Solid Mechanics tutorial. This is a made up question not found in your textbooks. This is a remaster. The previous videos had a serious mistake. At that time when I was recording, it was during when I got struck, so the DMCA took down 708 videos, so I wasn't thinking properly. Alright, I'm going to do it again. The serious mistake caused both the answers to be wrong and the steps to be wrong, so it was a multiplication error. Sounds simple, but it was really serious. Okay, so we got two cylinder rods joined together, X, Y, Z, and it's joined at Y. Find the stress for X, Y, and Y, Z. Diameters are 60 for D1 and 100 for D2. So D1 is here, D2 is here. Alright, so step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. The loads or the forces are given, so you've got one going to the left, 120 kilonewtons, and two 250 kilonewtons going to the right. We got the lengths at 2.4 meters and 1.8 meters respectively. List all the given variables and the unknown. This will help you figure out formulas. Step 2, find the average stress formula for XY. So sigma equals P divided by A. P is force, A is area, sigma is pressure. I know, why didn't they use P for pressure? I believe the formula was used by some other formula. Okay, so area is unknown. That's our next step, find the area. Step 3. So we found the formula. Now we plug in. So the previous video I made a serious mistake and I put the diameter underneath, and that's a no-no. So we're gonna fix that. Alright. So convert your 60 millimeter diameter to meters. So this is a meter for all those who are watching. Alright, and we will get 0.002827 meters squared. Step 5, find the average stress for XY. So that's part A. So 120 kilonewton divided by 0.002827 meters squared, and we'll get this long number, which is 42.45 MPa when you convert it back. Repeat the process for YZ. Find the formulas, find the areas. So step 8, we get 0.00784 meters squared, so we converted the 100 millimeter diameter and we plug that in. Okay, step 9, find the average stress for part B, so that's YZ. So we have to add both the forces together. So one is going in one direction, the other one is going in the other direction. We get a negative force because we have the forces going to the right, which is greater, and we assume the left is positive for this case. Okay, so why is that? Why did we assume the left is positive? I mean, you can set it to the right as positive, but generally you have left as positive. It's just a left hand or right hand rule. Doesn't really matter too much as long as you know which way you set your orientation. So I set mine to left as positive, so that's why we have negative 380 kilonewtons. Okay, and then we plug in the area that we found previously. We will get negative 48 in a very long string of numbers. So simplify that down, that's negative 48.38 MPa. Okay, so the video is done. However, some students may want to save this video just in case that it gets taken down or my channel gets taken down for reasons, I don't know. I try not to. I try and comply with all rules, but just in case. So I'll make it quick. Use the snipping tool, pause the video if you need to, and then click on the video option, click on new, then drag your window to match the YouTube window, so left click drag, then hit the start button. You can't see the start button because when you take a screenshot it disappears, so just know that there is a start button on top of the middle screen on your screen, and then wait for 1, 2, 3, then click replay the video, and then once you've finished with the video, just hit the red square button to stop recording and then save it. Okay, I'm sure you know how to do that, but I'm just showing you once, and I'll probably do this for every video. Alright, like and subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, become a member, drop a super thanks, leave a question or comments in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.